What's up, guys? Today we are going to be installing a hard dog roll bar into my 2001 Mazda Miata. This isn't really a do-it-yourself video or instructions by any means, just simply how we did it ourselves. So thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy. At this point, we were about 30 minutes into the project. We have removed the seats, seat belts, and all the trim. At this point, we were going to start removing the carpet and the parcel shelf so we can start fitting the roll bar. About another 30 minutes later, we have the carpet and the parcel shelf out. At this point, we will need to start cutting some of the sheet metal to fit the bar. After a lot of hammering, cutting, and maneuvering, we finally have the bar fit into the car. At this point, we will now start drilling holes into the car to mount the bar to the chassis. We did have to move a lot of the wiring harness and remove a few grounds to fit the front of the bar into the car. At this point, all we have to do is mount the rear of the bar to the chassis, and we can continue to put the interior back together. Seven hours later, the roll bar is completely installed. Could literally lift the entire car up with this thing. Got to get the interior and stuff back in. I'm ready to be done. My hands are destroyed. After a long day, the roll bar is completely installed. At this point, all we have left to do is to vacuum the car out and reinstall the seats. Well, we got it done.
Finally.
Oh yeah.
We did it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Gonna be doing a lot more work on this thing here soon. Gonna be doing a full wire tuck, some engine bay mods, stuff like that. If you guys want to see more, subscribe to our channel, like this video if you can, and we will see you next time.